Hello. ChatGPT. I'm sure you're aware of the latest AI trend, which involves generating responses that are contextual and relevant to ongoing conversations. However, there's a new AI tool that has taken the world by storm due to its ability to produce complete essays in a matter of seconds. I'll show you how you can leverage this cutting-edge technology to earn money by duplicating and pasting text. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel before we dive in. Your support motivates me to create more content and share valuable insights. So, let's begin. Before we start generate income with ChatGPT, let me explain what this unique technology is and how it works with a simple example. ChatGPT is based on the GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, model, which was developed by OpenAI. The GPT model is essentially a machine learning algorithm that is trained on vast amounts of text data to learn the patterns and structures of language. Once it has been trained on this data, it can generate text that is similar in style and tone to the input text. This makes it ideal for applications like language translation, text summarization, and of course, chatbot technology. As an example, we can type in the chat box, "How to start a business." As you can see, the AI bot has generated a detailed answer in a few seconds with only one click. Now we can save a lot of time and money using this technology, and we have opened so many opportunities with ChatGPT and we can use them in near future. This is really amazing. Thanks for the details, but how can I start earning money with ChatGPT? To find the answer to that question, don't skip any steps and keep watching the video to the end because I'm going to provide some tips for getting the best results. You have definitely heard about freelancing markets like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, and so on if you use the internet. But don't worry, we are not going to work as freelancers with the strategy I'll share with you today. Instead, we'll allow ChatGPT to provide the service without having to do anything. What exactly do you mean? In this video, I'll walk you through the processes step by step. Now if you head off to Fiverr and search summary writing, you'll see all currently selling services on Fiverr. As you can see, there are so many available services that we can sell using ChatGPT. And there are a lot of successful sellers, and they make thousands of dollars by giving this service. I will show how this gig works. I will take this fairy tale called Jack and the Beanstalk as an example. Think you want to summarize this part in this story. Okay, let's copy it. And now go back to ChatGPT. And write prompt like this: summarize this story and the story must be interesting, and paste the text we copied. And hit enter. You can see how fast he is writing this. It's very simple and easy. Can you imagine how much money we can earn from this AI tool? This is one of the easiest methods to earn around $200 daily. So don't waste your time. Give your full effort and start now. If you want to know more methods of making money with ChatGPT, let me know in the comment section. It's for today. If you think this video gave great value for your time, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to see upcoming videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.